Welcome back to JL Tech. In today's video we're going to be creating a QR code generator. Welcome back to JL Tech, everybody. As just mentioned, in today's video we're going to be making a QR code generator. So we're going to input some text into like a string from a text box, and that is going to convert whatever is in that text to a QR code. So this is going to be where our QR code is. So this is just a picture box. We're just gonna name this pic, for example. Actually, we'll call this QR code. We'll change the size mode to zoom, and then obviously QR codes have white backgrounds, so we're just gonna change this to white. I'm aware it doesn't look the prettiest. And then we'll go text box, and we'll make this a little bit bigger. We'll increase the text size to say 16, and we'll name this txt input. Now you can do this two ways. You could do it off a button, or you could do it as it generates text. I think in this case we'll do it off generates text, just better, but you could, where we code this, you could either do this on a button or you could do it on a text box. It's whatever you want. For this case, we're going to do it in a text box. So as we keep typing, it's going to generate a new QR code every time. So let's begin. So we're just going to, for the text box option, if you was using a button, just double click the button code in there. If you're doing the text box button, double click the text box, and we can now begin to code. Actually, the first thing we need to do is we need to click our project over here, and we need to press manage new get packages. And then go to browse, and we can type in QR coder. Just give that a search, and then the top one here, 4.26 million downloads, and we'll press install, and then we'll press OK. We're just going to let this install. Perfect. So we'll just save our application, and now we can begin to code. So we'll start off with dimgen as, and it will be new QR code generator. And as you can see, it hasn't understood what we've done, so we're just going to click this, show potential fixes, import QR reader. So all it's done at the top, it's just put import QR code, just importing that plugin we've just downloaded. Then we'll do dim data equals gen. Create QR code, open brackets txt input, because that's what we named the text box where our text is going, .text. And then we're going to put a comma. We're going to reference the QR code generator. For some reason it's not oh, I put gr, that's why. QR code generator .ecc level.q for QR. And then we'll do dim code as new QR code, and then in brackets we'll reference data. So we're referencing that top line. So where we put data, it's referencing that dim. And then finally our picture box. So we called it QR code, I think. Let me just double check when I name this. Yep, QR code. So it'll be QR code dot image equals code. So it's going to be with our new code that we've just created, and we've referenced that code to data. And then what we'll do is .get graphic, and then in little brackets we will put the number 6. That is all the code you need for this. So now when we launch our application, and it loads, you can see we've got nothing in there. If we now start typing, so if we put hello, you can see we now have a QR code. So if we were to now scan this on our mobile phone, as you can see, it's scanned it and it's detected the text as hello, which is exactly what we wanted it to do. So we could, every time you add something, the QR code's going to change. So we could say JL Tech, you know, you could use numbers. You can literally do whatever you want, and it's going to generate a QR code. The more information you have, the bigger the QR code is going to get. And yeah, that is how you create QR codes from text in visualbasic.net. If you did learn something from this video, or if you did enjoy it, please do drop a like rating and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you all next time. Peace.
from the first